salt, of this school year we'll learn acid and base, salt, oxidation reduction, metals, electrolysis, alkane and alkene, and then the last, alcohol and carboxylic acids. Okay, let's start from chapter 11, acids and base. Okay, have you ever gone to this place? Yeah, this is the Glory Malur Beach. 6 months ago, my family and I went to the Malur Beach, and my niece got an accident because of the jellyfish. Yeah, it's so dangerous. Yeah, she got pains from the sting of the jellyfish. But how to help to reduce the pains? Yeah, by applying vinegar. By applying vinegar in her body, yeah, to neutralize the pain from the sting of the jellyfish. What is chemical in the vinegar that responsible for this, and how it reacts with the alkaline venom? Yeah, we can know this how and why the vinegar can be used to reduce the pain from the jellyfish sting. Yeah, by the lungs, the chapter 11, acids and base. Okay, yeah, let's start from acids. Yeah, this is the learning outcome. There are 3 learning outcomes. Yeah, you should be able to define acid as substance that produce hydrogen ions in aqueous solutions, and describe the properties of acids and the reaction with metals, base, and carbonates, and state the use of sulfuric acid. What is actually the definition of acids? Actually, acid is a substance. Yeah, what kind of substance? The substance that can produce hydrogen ions, H+, the positive ions, in aqueous solutions. What is meant in aqueous solutions? Aqueous solution, same as the water. So when we add an acid and we dissolve it in water, yeah, it will produce hydrogen ions. Yeah, this is the definition of acids. For example, hydrochloric acids. Yeah, from the name, hydrochloric acid is an acid. When dissolve hydrochloric acid in water, this one, hydrochloric acid, is the solute. We dissolve the hydrochloric acid in water. The water is the solvent. So in the solution, the H and Cl from the hydrochloric acids will separate into positive ion and negative ion. The positive ion is hydrogen ions, and the negative ion is chlorine ion. H plus and Cl minus will separate. Yeah, in the solution. These solutions. Acid solutions. Yeah, when the substance produce H plus, yeah, we can make a conclusion. This substance is an acid because produce H plus. Okay, let's we identify. Yeah, from these pictures, yeah, the formula of hydrochloric acid. What is the formula of hydrochloric acid?
HCl.
Yeah, HCl. What are the ions produced when we dissolve hydrochloric acid in water? H plus
Cl minus.
and Cl minus. This is the ion. How about ethanoic acid? What is the formula of ethanoic acids? This is the vinegar, right? What is the formula of vinegar? CH3 COOH. What are the ions produced when we dissolve ethanoic acid in water? Also produce H plus. Yeah, because same acids produce H plus. H plus already in the positive ion. So the negative ion should be CH3 COO minus. Carbonatic acids. What is the formula nitric acid?
HNO3.
Yes, HNO3. Nitric acid. The ion produced? Same, right? Acid actually produce H plus and H plus already.
NO3 minus.
Yeah, NO3 minus. This is the anions. How about sulfuric acid? What is the formula sulfuric acid?
H2SO4.
H2SO4 also produce H plus because it's an acid. What is the anions? SO4
2 minus.
Yeah, 2 minus. This is the ion that produced when we dissolve an acid in aqueous solution or water. Okay. Next, properties of acids. Okay, the properties of acid is acid have a sour taste. This picture shows the citrus family. Yes, like lime, lemon, orange. Yeah, all of them have the same taste, the sour taste, because contain nitric acids. This is nitric acid, this is citric acid. That's why they can classify as the citrus family, contain citric acids. And the taste is sour. Okay, the next properties of acids. Yeah, when we dissolve acid in water, the solution it produced can conduct electricity. For example, hydrochloric acids can conduct electricity. Yeah, same as the sulfuric acid. Yeah, it's why the sulfuric acid used in the battery. Same as also the vinegar also CH3COOH also can conduct electricity. We can also the solution that can conduct electricity as the electrolyte solutions. Then the next properties of acids, acids turn blue litmus paper red. And litmus paper is the indicator that can detect the solution is an acid or base. Litmus paper is indicator. Yeah, pH indicator. What is pH? pH is the power of hydrogens. Jadi there are two types of litmus, red and blue. To detect the acids, we can use the blue one. The color change, turn red. to detect acid. The blue litmus paper will turn red. Yeah, if we add the litmus into the acid solutions, the blue litmus paper change red. That's the properties of acids. The next properties of acids is react with metal to form salt and hydrogens. For example, magnesium metal. Yeah, magnesium react with sulfuric acids. Magnesium is a metal. Is metal. Sulfuric acid is acid. What are another metals? Yeah, remember, yeah, metal commonly has the names ending ium. The names ending is ium. Like aluminum, aluminum, calcium, 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 francium, potassium. Yeah, it's a metal. Aluminum, francium, potassium is a metal. When the metal react with acid, the product is salt plus hydrogens. Example. What is the chemical equation? Magnesium react with sulfuric acid. What is the chemical symbol magnesium? Magnesium metal.
Mg.
Yeah, Mg. Good, very good, correct. Mg react with the sulfuric acid. What is the symbol of sulfuric acid?
H2SO4.
Yeah, H2SO, SO4. What are the products? Yeah, because H2SO4 will separate into positive ion and negative ion SO4 2 minus, and then Mg is the group 2 in the periodic table, right? In the group 2 Mg calcium is a group 2. So Mg is Mg2 plus. Yeah, it's why the product 2 plus and 2 minus will cancel each other. So the salt, the chemical formula of the salt should be MgSO4. Because 2 plus and 2 minus will cancel each other. And another product, yeah, is hydrogen ion. Remember, hydrogen gas is diatomic atom. Hydrogen gas, chlorine gas is diatomic atom. Yeah, have no fear of ice cold beer. This is diatomic. H2, N2, F2, O2, I2, Cl2, Br2 is diatomic. It's why H2. Yeah, hydrogen gas, it's H2 because diatomic. Have no fear. Yeah, it's easy to remember. Yeah, diatomic molecule. Have no fear of ice cold beer. It's H2. It's H2. Yeah, have no fear of ice cold beer. It's diatomic molecule. Okay, then write the word equations. Yeah, remember the state. The symbol of the state is solid, is aqueous, is a gas. Then write the word equations involving reaction magnesium and sulfuric acids. Mg magnesium plus sulfuric acid. The product magnesium. What are the name of the salt from this reaction? To give the name of the salt, name of the salt from metal plus from acid. The name of the metal is magnesium. That's why the name of the salt is magnesium. The name from the acids, because the acid is sulfuric acids, it can be sulfate. Sulfate. Sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Because the acid is sulfuric. So sulfate plus hydrogen. Plus hydrogen gas. Okay. This is sulfuric. When we use the acid is sulfuric, the name of salt. If we use chloric acid, the name is the salt of the chloride. If we use sulfuric acid, the name of the salt is sulfate. If we use nitric acid, the name of the salt is nitrates. Nitrate. Okay. Any concern about properties of none? Yeah. How to detect the presence of the hydrogen gas? To detect presence of hydrogen gas that produced from these reactions. For example, this is Mg, this hydrochloric acids, and produce hydrogen gas, the bubble, present H2. To detect it, we can use the test, squeak pop. Hydrogen gas, extinguish burning flame with a pop sound. It will produce pop sound. This is evidence to check. This is test to check the evidence of hydrogen gas. Okay, next. But not all metal react with acids. For example, like copper or silver. Copper and silver do not react with acids. Okay, how about leads? Leads does not react with dilute. This is dilute sulfuric acids. Do not react with the dilute sulfuric acid. Why? Because it will produce the layer that can protect the metal from the reaction with acids. That's why it's lead. Pb. Used in battery. Pb. Pb as a cathode. Because the lead do not react with the sulfuric acid H2CO4. Because this can produce the layer that can protect the metal from the acids. Okay, let's look the video that shows reaction acid with metal. Yeah, Sn is a tin, Fe iron, Mg magnesium, Cu is copper, Zn zinc, Ca is calcium. And then this is the dilute acids. Okay, from this video, yeah, can you detect what is the most reactive metal when react with acids? What is the most reactive?
Calcium.
Hmm? Calcium? Yes. Very good. Calcium, yeah? Ca. Calcium is the most reactive metal. Yeah, from this experiments. Yeah, because yeah, more hydrogen gas produced. Yeah, during the reaction metal and dilute acids. What is the next metal based on the reactivity after calcium? After calcium? Magnesium or zinc? Alexander? Magnesium or zinc, Alexander?
Yes, miss.
Magnesium or zinc? Based on the reactivity
Zinc, miss.
after calcium. Hmm? It's not magnesium. Magnesium, ya?
Zinc, miss. Zinc.
Zinc. More bubbles in zinc than magnesium. How about the others? Shirin? Shirin for
I don't know, Miss. Maybe zinc.
zinc. Okay, let's see. Yeah, magnesium also reactive. Zinc. And then let's see what happened with the copper. Is it reactive with this acids? Can you see the bubbles? The hydrogen
No.
gas? Yeah, there's no hydrogen gas produced. It means the copper did not react with the acids. This copper did not react with acids. Fe, iron. Is it reactive with acid? Yeah, we can see the small bubble, right? Yeah, react with acids. Iron. Okay, it's why from our PowerPoint slide, yeah, iron react with acids. You can see. Okay, it's why in the slide you can see the ship's body then made up from ions. Ions can oxidize if react with the oxygen from the air, if react with the oxygen from the water. Yeah, can cause corrosions. Yeah, but also the ions can react with the acids. Yeah, from the acid rains. So the ion can react with the acids. Check into the with corrosions. Okay. The lead. How about lead? Do not react with the dilute sulfuric acids. But when we use the concentrated acid, the lead react with the concentrated acid. Okay, let's see the video. Lead with the concentrated acids. This is lead. Lead very dangerous lah for the human. 6 molar hydrochloric acid is concentrated, not dilute, right? What happened to the lead? Can react. Can see. Okay, you can see. Yeah, when lead react with the concentrated acids, yeah, 6 molar acids, yeah, it produce bubbles. It means the lead, yeah, react with the concentrated acids. Okay, do you have any question, dear students? Any concern about acids, their properties and reactions, chemical reactions? No? Okay, let's try, yeah. To write the chemical equations involving magnesium and hydrochloric acids. Okay, let's write the chemical equations. What is the chemical equation? Magnesium and hydrochloric acids. What is the symbol of magnesium?
Mg.
Mg. Hydrochloric acid?
HCl.
Yes, HCl. Reduce salt. What is the salt? Remember, HCl will separate into positive ion, hydrogen ion, and Cl minus. Remember, Mg is the group 2 from the periodic table. So, what is the formula of the salt? Mg Cl2 because MgCl2. MgCl2. Then another product is hydrogen gas H2. What is the word equations? Mg is magnesium. How about HCl? Hydrochloric acids. What is the name of the salt?
Magnesium chloride.
Yeah, magnesium chloride. Good, yeah, Charles. Chloride, correct. Plus H2. hydrogen. Hydrogen gas. Yeah, this is the word equations. Okay. Okay, I think it's enough for today, yeah, for until react with metals. Yeah, we will continue reaction with carbonate, reaction with metal oxide, yeah, next meeting. Okay, kids, thank you for your participation. See you later. Bye-bye.